right, today is the day, and in this video we're just going to take a look at some of the things that have been going on the last month or so. One of those videos where we're jumping around, but just give you an overall view of where we've been on the Arete project. So let's go take a look at some of the things we've been working on. So here we are looking at the back end of the car. The exhaust system has to fit in that section between those vents where the tail lights will be. And we'll take a look at what some of the problems of compacting it all in there. The main problem, of course, is the height here, only about 33 inches from the ground to the top of the tail there. And that's not a lot of room to fit the exhaust system in when it can't be stretched out the whole length of the car. It has to be kind of compact back into there. Pretty typical of all mid-engine cars having to pack the exhaust system in there. We'll take a look at that. That's something we've been working on this month. Also, the manifolds themselves, been working on that. There'll be a video covering that a little bit in depth, but that's going to be quite a long time because we have to get that all the way through the foundry process. Going to be going off to another foundry besides myself because I cannot cast stainless steel. Need to do that in stainless. Pulled the turbos off to get those clay manifolds out with the exhaust system. Ready to put all that stuff back together because we'll be a while before we get those manifolds back. This big white thing is actually our muffler. What you're looking at is some vinyl over a piece of stainless steel. Going to be quite heavy. Not the lightweight titanium you get in a $1 million supercar, but it will be durable and will probably last a long time. Since the last video, added a little more reinforcement to that door. Last thing we need to do is bring some braces off of the roof down to the door so that those thin areas through here, they'll be reinforced a little bit. This here, we don't want any flexing going back and forth this way, so we're going to bring a brace. So we're going to bring a brace off the roof down to the door there. Of course, I hate when people walk around try to do this one-handed video thing, but we're going to do it anyway. Also been doing a little more reinforcement to this hood, or bonnet, you'd say if we were your English friends. This part of the mold has to come off before the rest of them do because we have to cut away part of the car to produce the mold to the tub, which actually goes underneath this one. Reinforcing that door, but we have also actually created the mold on the passenger side for that door. So those two done, that gives us our flange surface right here that we needed so that we can pull the hood off. We have some help today out in the shop. This is not a child. This is not breaking any YouTube rules or standards. This is just something that we have to entertain us. Bell housings. Been working on the adapter to go from the 1JZ to our transmission. Well, thanks for stopping by and checking in on the Arete project. A couple of things in this video have been made into a little more of a featurette videos, that being the exhaust system. You can go watch that video here. And also a little explanation of how I got into cars. That video also we'll put right here. You go watch that. Anyway, like I said, thanks for stopping by. Hope you come see us again. Hope you subscribe maybe even. And continue to follow us on the channel. Anyway, we'll see you next time.